Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you delete iPhone system data. So first of all, just go to your Chrome browser. Now in the Chrome browser, click the bottom last three dot icon here. Now click on History. Now click on the bottom Clear Browsing Data. Now in the top, click on Time Range and make sure that you have selected all time. Now click the bottom Clear Browsing Data and make sure to clear all of your browsing data. And after that, just go back and go to your phone settings. Now just go to your general and click on iPhoneStorage. Now from here, just search for Safari and click on website data. Now here you can see in the bottom, remove all website data, click on it. Now just click on remove now, and after that just go to your photos. Now just scroll here and click the last one, recently deleted. Now from here, just click the top right, select, and now just click the bottom, delete all, and click on delete from this phone. And by this you can just clear iPhone system data. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.